Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while since I made a video for my YouTube channel, but I've been active on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and also Snapchat. My attention has been going towards my business and the financial market that I am participating in, which is what I want to talk to you guys about today. Now, I made a couple of videos in the past talking about what I do, and I just kind of want to backtrack and make everything make sense to everyone, because I know you guys may have not heard about the foreign exchange market or Forex, just like I haven't. Like, it was introduced to me back in 2019, but I actually started to participate in it the beginning or the middle of 2020. So, this video I want to explain like the main difference between the stock market and the foreign exchange market, because I'm sure a lot of people know what the stock market is. They have heard about it, but they've never heard about the foreign exchange market. You see, there's only 4% of people, 3 or 4% of people that trade in the foreign exchange market, right? And a lot of people participate in the stock market, but you have to have a lot of money, you have to have a lot of capital to trade in the stock market. So let me tell you guys like the main difference. The stock market is a $1 billion market, a $200 billion market, and the foreign exchange market is a $7.7 trillion market, meaning $7.7 trillion fluctuate in this market every single day, right? Another thing, the stock market is not recession proof, meaning it can crash, right? So for example, the beginning of 2020, when the pandemic broke out, a lot of businesses closed down, a lot of stores, a lot of just everything closed down. So that caused the stock market to crash. Now, if you don't know okay, let me backtrack. Okay, yeah. So the stock market, right, it can crash. Well, it did crash with the pandemic because a lot of companies closed down. But in the foreign exchange market, it is recession proof, meaning it can't crash. So whatever is going on in the economy, whatever is happening in the world, it cannot crash. The foreign exchange market is going to keep going forward and moving on, right? So, now, this is why the stock market can crash and the foreign exchange market can't crash. Because in the stock market, you are investing into companies. When I say companies, I mean like things like Apple, Amazon, Nike, what else? Just, the big companies, right? And that's what you're investing in, right? So you can only make money in the stock market is if the company does good, right? If it goes up. So that's the only way you can make money. So when the company is going down, when it's doing bad, just like in the beginning of 2020, when, the stock market or stocks crashed, that is because the companies crashed. So that is, another big difference. But in this foreign exchange market, you are investing into currencies, right? So when I say currencies, I mean like the US dollar, the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, the European dollar, I don't know if I said Australian, the Japanese yen dollar, the Great British pound dollar. I don't even know if it's called dollar. It's called Great British Pound. No dollar. But, you know, every single country has its own currency. And that's what we are investing in. That's what we are trading in this market. So it can't crash because there's always going to be currency. There's always going to be currencies, right? So the foreign exchange market can't crash. And you can make money both ways, buying or selling. So when a currency is going up in value, we buy. And when the currency is going down in value, so we sell. That way we can make money both ways, up and down, buying and selling. So that's the main difference between the stock market and the foreign exchange market. Another one is, like I was saying earlier, like you have to have a lot of capital to trade in the stock market, right? So when I think about it, like the people that trade in that participate in the stock market are millionaires, billionaires, like people who have a lot of capital. People like me, I'm not a millionaire yet, right? I don't have a lot of capital like someone who was a millionaire has. So the good thing about the foreign exchange market is that you can start your account off with as little as $10, right? You can start with 50, you can start with 100. You don't have to start with millions and billions of dollars. Like, this market is like anyone can trade in it. I know 15-year-olds are trading in this market. Young people, you know, I'm 21, so, you know, a lot of people in their 20s, below 30, people who are 50, 60, 70 that are trading in this market. So you don't have to have a lot of capital to start trading in this market. So yeah, that is like the main difference between the stock market and the foreign exchange market. I do have videos coming a little later. Maybe today I may record another one. But, you know, I'm going to start posting more consistently on this channel, telling you guys more about Forex, and because it's a great opportunity. So yeah, I can keep talking on and on, but I want to say that for the next video. Bye.